Welcome to Optimal Cures. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious, convenient, and guilt-free snacking with a focus on the best low-carb snacks for busy days. Whether you're juggling work, family, or personal commitments, finding snacks that keep you fueled and fit can be challenging. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore a curated list of low-carb snacks that are not only easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients to keep your energy levels high throughout the day. From savory bites to sweet treats, these options cater to every craving without derailing your health goals. Stick around until the end for an innovative snack idea you won't want to miss. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbs, making it a perfect base for a satisfying snack. Pair it with a handful of low-carb berries, like blueberries or raspberries, for added antioxidants and natural sweetness. To enhance the flavor and nutrition, you can top it with a sprinkle of chia seeds or a dash of cinnamon. Choose unsweetened yogurt to keep the carb count low. For an extra kick, consider layering the yogurt and berries in a jar to create a portable parfait, perfect for an on-the-go snack that feels indulgent but is entirely guilt-free. 2. Avocado slices with sea salt. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with heart-healthy fats and fiber while being naturally low in carbs. Simply slice an avocado, sprinkle it with sea salt and a dash of lemon juice, and enjoy it as is or with veggie sticks for added crunch. For a spicy kick, consider adding a pinch of chili flakes or paprika. If you're looking for variety, mash the avocado and use it as a spread on low-carb crackers or cucumber slices for an easy and versatile snack that's sure to satisfy. 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a quick, protein-packed snack that keeps you full for hours. They're portable, versatile, and budget-friendly. Slice them in half, sprinkle with salt and pepper, or add a dollop of guacamole for an extra layer of flavor. Preparing a batch of hard-boiled eggs at the beginning of the week ensures you have a grab-and-go option ready. To mix things up, try deviled eggs by mixing the yolk with mustard and a touch of mayonnaise, then spooning it back into the egg whites for a sophisticated twist on this classic snack. 4. Cheese crisps. Cheese crisps are crunchy, savory, and satisfy your chip cravings without the carbs. They're made from 100% cheese, providing a tasty combination of protein and fat. To make them, bake shredded cheese in small mounds on parchment paper at 375 degrees, 190 degrees, until crispy. Then let them cool before enjoying. Experiment with different cheese varieties like Parmesan or cheddar for unique flavors. For added texture, sprinkle with sesame seeds or poppy seeds before baking. These crisps also double as a perfect low-carb base for mini canapés when topped with a slice of avocado or smoked salmon. 5. Mixed nuts and seeds. A handful of nuts and seeds provides healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. Stick to low-carb options like almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. Mix your favorite nuts and seeds in a small container for a convenient snack on the go, and add a sprinkle of unsweetened coconut flakes for a tropical twist. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating, as nuts are calorie-dense. For an extra burst of flavor, lightly toast your mix in the oven with a sprinkle of paprika, garlic powder, or even a dash of cinnamon for a sweet and savory combination. 6. Cucumber slices with cream cheese. Cucumbers are hydrating and low in carbs, while cream cheese adds a creamy and satisfying texture. Spread a thin layer of cream cheese on cucumber slices and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning or chopped herbs for added flavor. You can also swap cream cheese for hummus if you prefer a dairy-free option. To make this snack more filling, consider layering smoked salmon on top of the cream cheese for a sophisticated and protein-packed treat that feels like a mini gourmet meal. 7. Beef or turkey jerky. Jerky is a high-protein portable snack that's perfect for busy days. Look for options with no added sugars to keep the carb count low. Pair jerky with a handful of almonds or a stick of string cheese for a well-rounded snack, and opt for grass-fed or organic jerky for higher quality nutrition. For variety, explore exotic jerky options like venison or bison, which often have unique flavors and textures while still being low in carbs and high in protein. 8. Zucchini chips. Zucchini chips are a low-carb alternative to potato chips, offering crunch and flavor without the guilt. Thinly sliced zucchini, season with olive oil, salt, and your favorite spices, then bake until crispy. Store them in an airtight container to keep them fresh for a few days. If you want to experiment, try seasoning them with garlic powder, smoked paprika, or even nutritional yeast for a cheesy, savory taste. These chips also pair perfectly with guacamole or a low-carb salsa for dipping. 9. Dark chocolate with almond butter. A small piece of dark chocolate paired with almond butter satisfies sweet cravings while keeping carbs in check. Dip a square of 85% dark chocolate into a teaspoon of almond butter for a decadent treat. Choose chocolate with 85% or higher cocoa content for minimal sugar. For an added twist, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt or cinnamon on top of the almond butter before taking a bite. This simple snack feels indulgent but fits seamlessly into a low-carb lifestyle. 10. Tuna salad lettuce wraps. Tuna salad is a high-protein, low-carb snack that's easy to make and incredibly versatile. Mix canned tuna with mayonnaise, diced celery, and a touch of mustard. Then scoop the mixture into large lettuce leaves and wrap them up for a mess-free snack. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and chopped dill for a fresh flavor boost. For variety, try swapping tuna with canned salmon or shredded chicken, or adding diced pickles or capers for a tangy kick. 11. Olives and cheese cubes. Olives and cheese cubes are a Mediterranean-inspired snack that's both satisfying and flavorful. Olives are low in carbs and high in healthy fats, while cheese provides a boost of protein. Combine your favorite olives with cubes of cheddar, mozzarella, or feta for a snack that's easy to prepare and perfect for busy days. To elevate this snack, add a handful of cherry tomatoes and drizzle with olive oil and Italian herbs for a low-carb antipasto plate. 12. Peanut butter celery sticks. Celery sticks filled with natural peanut butter are a classic low-carb snack that combines crunch with creamy richness. Opt for unsweetened peanut butter to keep the carb count low, and sprinkle the top with a few unsweetened coconut flakes or a pinch of cinnamon for added flavor. For those who love variety, swap peanut butter for almond or sunflower seed butter for a fresh take on this timeless snack. Conclusion. And there you have it, 12 incredible low-carb snacks perfect for busy days. These options are not only convenient but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized and on track with your health goals. Whether you're craving something savory, sweet, or a mix of both, there's a snack on this list to satisfy every taste. Which snack are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips from Optimal Cures. Remember, your health, your remedy, your cure.